Today I'm making a horse head belt buckle and I'm starting with a piece of wrought iron from an antique steam engine boiler. I start by hot shearing off a piece of the bar that I can resize under the power hammer into a rectangle, which makes the profile forging easier. Wrought iron was made by folding and forge welding the material many times in order to work out the impurities and purify the iron. And so because this material is made completely out of forge welds, I need to keep the temperature higher and more consistent than I would if I was working with a modern steel. In fact, I try and keep it hovering around 2200 degrees Fahrenheit. Once I'm done forging the basic outline of the horse's head, I go in and take off the corners and swoop in on every shoulder that I made to give the illusion of depth on a thin belt buckle like this. After punching a slot hole, I drift the eye bigger so I can draw it out over the horn to fit around the belt material. Then it comes time to put in the details, and I use a set of handmade punches to put in the mane, ears, eyes, nose, and mouth. I melt a brazing rod to the back of the buckle to keep the belt tight, and finally an hour's soak in the ferric chloride acid brings out the beautiful pattern on the wrought iron.